Hey guys, it's me Jeet and you're most welcome to this Google Ads on Air universe, and today I want to show you how to change keyword match type in Google Ads. Not manually, no Google searches or neither any AI uses, just 3 clicks in your Google Ads account. So let's dive to the video. So at first we need to go to our Google Ads account and then we need to go campaigns to an audience keyword and content, and then we need to go to the keywords, and after that we need to select our campaign from here, and after that we can see all the keywords using in this campaign, and we can see a select button behind it, so we can select all these manually, but also we can select all the keywords in just one clicks by clicking this checkbox in on the top. After that we can click edit, and then we found change keyword match type, and when we point our mouse here we can see other two option, and the first option is change all keyword match type. So we click it, and then here we can find a drop down box and it is broad mesh, and after clicking the drop down box we can see our other two match options, which is exact match and phrase match. So we need to change the keywords from broad mesh to phrase mesh. So let's select phrase mesh, and here we are seeing another option, which is if we want to duplicate the keywords with new mesh type, then we can select it. In this campaign I don't want to select this because I don't want any duplicate keywords or in different mesh types, so we can click apply button, and after applying this our campaign will be changed to phrase mesh. Oh, here we can see that our all the keywords are become phrase mesh. Yeah, that's all about it. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.